Video guys. Don't need to remove this. So see this plane. The damage here. You can see the damage, and then there's a play for the shaft. So there will be a lot of wear and tear. That's why the play. So we have to replace this hub where the rollers are placed. Whenever the shaft rotates, the rollers are pushed towards the outside because of the centrifugal force, and the plate which is on the top gets expanded. So due to which the belt that is in between these plates, the diameter of the belt reduces. This is what the clutch looks like. This hub goes on top of this. Whenever there is a rotation of this shaft, then these three asbestos will be pushed towards outside due to the centrifugal force, and there is a spring attached to this so that it will bounce back whenever they reduce the speed. Whenever engine rotates in certain RPM, and this hub is holded by the asbestos just like the brakes, and then this shaft is rotated and your wheel rotates. Whenever your engine is in idle position or engine is off, your asbestos are free from this hub and your hub is free to rotate. So that's how this clutch works. These two nuts are of same size, so I don't want to put it in the same box, so better to keep it separate so they go into the same position. I'm using isopropyl alcohol to clean this. You can also use petrol or WD-40 to clean this. see how the diameter of the belt is getting changed on the other side, and whenever you give more acceleration, the diameter here gets reduces. That's how the torque and RPM is changed in the CVT. So this clip should go into the slot. You can see this slot. So this transmission cover is back in place. You have to put this 8mm bolts, and you have a 10mm bolt on the top. So putting thread locker to each of the bolts. So thank you all for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.